Hello everyone, myself is Subramanian, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry in the SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Now I am going to explain the BMC model of Emcure Pharmaceuticals. Before sharing the topic, I wish to share the few words about the concept of design thinking. Design thinking is a problem solving approach that involves understanding and addressing user needs, ideation, prototype, testing, solution. In design thinking, we have five pillars. The five pillars are CLT, SCD, CFC, IATC, and SRI. CLT is Center for Learning and Teaching, SCD Skill and Career Development, CFC is Center for Creativity, and SCD Skill and Career Development, and finally SRI, that is Social Responsibility Initiatives. Overview of the company and vision. Emcure Pharmaceuticals, founded in India and now a global generics and specialty pharma company. It develops and markets affordable therapies across oncology, cardiology, anti-infectives, women health, pain management, and biosimilars. Its portfolio spans complex formulations, branded generics, and specialty products, supported by a strong focus on R&D, regulatory quality, and manufacturing scale. The vision of the company: deliver high quality, affordable healthcare worldwide while investing in innovation, operational excellence, and long-term therapeutic expansion.
Hi guys, I am one of them. I'm going to explain the journey so far, which speak from your family, founded API and the formulation business to an integrated global pharmaceutical company. Milestones included yearly manufacturing expansion, international market entry, biosimilar developments. Let me start with that is also board on the portfolio.
I'm Jessica and I'm going to tell about key partners and key activities of Emcure. Key partners: API and excipient suppliers, packaging and labeling vendors, contract development and manufacturing organizations, analytical testing labs, university and translation researchers, collaborators. Key activities: formulation development for generic, biosimilar, and specialty products, process development, scale up and tech transfer, sterile and non-sterile manufacturing, in process and final quality controls, stability studies, regulatory strategies, proportions and customer segments, quality at scale, high quality generics and specialty biologics across oncology, cardiology, anti-infectives, diabetes, and official critical cares manufactured under strict quality system. Affordability, competitive tiered pricing and tender-friendly offers that improves access in emerging and developed markets while balancing cost, volume, and long-term supply continuity. Hospitals and clinics, bulk supply for essential medicines, specialty, injectable, and therapy-specific portfolios. Hello, I'm Chemistry, studying B.Pharm third year at SMS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Now I'm going to talk about customer relationship and channels. Channels: direct hospital sales distributors, retail pharmacy network, government tenders, and digital platform for product information, ordering support, and service access. Distribution strategies are tailored by segments: key account coverages for hospitals, broad trade reach for retails, compliant tenders, management for government, and export focused distributed partnership for international markets. Relationship: dedicated sales team, medical affairs support, KOL engagement, patient assistance programs, and post-market safety monitoring. The sales force is structured by customer segments and geography. It's a key account managers for strategic hospital system, territory reps for pharmacies, tender specialists for public sector bids, and export manager for international accounts. Resources and cost structure. Key resources: manufacturing facilities with sterile production lines, quality control laboratories, and cold chain logistic capability, formulations and biological R&D centers, regulatory affair expertise, and global distribution network, supported by skilled workforce spanning operators, scientific quality, and commercial team, plus investment in automation, digital batch tracking, analyticals, and process optimization. Cost structure: COGS from raw material, active ingredients, fill finish packaging, quality testing, and logistics. R&D spends for platform science, formulation development, biosimilar and clinical and regulatory work, SG and A for sales force market access and corporate overhead plus manufacturing capex, compliance, IT or digital investments and M&E integration costs.
Hi, I am Harni. I am studying B Form third year at SMS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. I am going to explain about revenue streams and competitive advantages. Revenue streams. Generics provide the largest base of recurring revenue through broad volume sales and public procurement. Specialty drugs contribute higher margin growth in targeted therapeutic areas. Biosimilars add meaningful scale as biologics access expands across key markets. Contract manufacturing supports steadier capacity utilization and partner-led revenue. Licensing and royalties create asset-light income from select molecules and regional rights. Government tenders strengthen volume visibility and support market access in price-sensitive segments. Competitive advantages, manufacturing strength, integrated facilities, scale efficiencies, quality systems, and flexible production capabilities help lower unit cost and improve supply reliability. Regulatory expertise, proven approval experience, strong compliance discipline, and cross-market filling capabilities reduce execution risk and speed launches. Market positioning, a balanced portfolio across branded generic and biosimilar products improves resilience and allows participation in both value and growth segments. Strategic differentiation, focused therapeutic vehicles, partnerships for distribution and access, and selective M&A integration strengthen the company's competitive mode. Social responsibility and future outlook. Social responsibility, patient access programs, affordable medicine initiatives, community health partnerships, compliance with environmental and safety standards, sustainability and growth, investment in green manufacturing, expansion into biosimilars and specially biologicals, focus on digital channels and emerging markets. Emcure's CSR approach enters on expanding access to essential medicines, supporting public health awareness, and strengthening community partnerships through healthcare outreach, education, and patient support. Its sustainability agenda emphasizes lower carbon operations, responsible resource use, safer manufacturing, and continued progress toward greener facilities and supply chains. Looking ahead, the company is building on a growth strategy that combines innovation, geographic expansion, and portfolio diversification. Priority areas include scaling biosimilars and specialty therapeutics, deepening presence in emerging markets across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, and using digital channels to improve reach, engagement, and market responsiveness. The pipeline is positioned to support long-term growth through differentiated products, higher value therapies, and broader global access.
UAE takeaway. Takeaway one. Ensure content shares manufacturing with focus for R&D, allowing it to compete across complex generics, biosimilars, and the differentiated specialty product. Takeaway two. A competitive advantage comes from a growth product portfolio. It comes execution in regular material and markets, and the ability to serve both domestic and the exports. Takeaway three. Growth is driven by expansion in higher value set and deeper penetration in international market and the continued investment in specific and the biosimilar capabilities.
Thank you.